Hey guys, Coupons Provide here, and today I'm coming at you with a King Dollar haul. So I went out there this morning. I left the house pretty early. I haven't been able to get out and do much of anything because I was sick, and I missed King Dollar for about 2 weeks, which usually I go there week to week to show you guys all the new things that are there. I post real time on Instagram, and I'm glad I went. Now these videos are sponsored officially by them. I go and pick up 25 items. Of course, it's always more than 25 items because I have shopped there since forever. I couldn't help myself. I got some Christmas stuff, even though it's like, we shouldn't even talk about Christmas right now. But I'm excited for what I got. So let's go ahead and dive right in. I'm gonna start off with some crafty goodness. It's some small stuff. First item that I picked up was this. It is the glitter and confetti dispenser. I actually have glitter in these containers from King Dollar in all kinds of colors and varieties. I always make sure to pick it up when they have a new one. And this one is like very holiday themed. We have silver, red, and gold stars, and then we have silver, red, and gold fine glitter. And these little things can be pretty pricey in your craft stores, and it has quite a bit of product. Each one of those, it's a total of 4.2 ounces, so that's quite a bit. And I thought this was a great item to add to my craft stash. And then I found these are actually for your hair, for the tiny little braid cuff length things. They're super adorable. They are pink, gold, blue, silver, purple, green, red. Anyway, you can put them in your hair as little decorative jewels, but I'm actually going to be repurposing them. I think they would go awesome on tassels or like some little boho style jewelry on junk journals and whatnot. They are super adorable little pieces. So I got that. And I also picked up another one of the Elmer's 7-stick purple glue, and there is a bonus stick in here that is a clear glue stick. So you get 6 of the purple and then 1 clear. 7 Elmer's glue sticks for $1.25. Yes, please, you cannot beat that. I love this stuff. I use it all the time for all kinds of crafty things. And then I found these. Now I'm pretty sure I've seen somebody else haul these somewhere else, but King Dollar, $1.25. I was so willing to get them. They did have a coffee themed one, but I know I saw them somewhere else. I think it might have been Dollar Tree or something. But I have not seen these, so I decided to go ahead and pick it up because they are so freaking cute. And it's a bunch of pastries and little desserts, treats, and whatnot. So it's craft brand of 3D stickers, and they are super cute. Check those out. It's all kinds of little desserts and pastries, and they are just so adorable. I absolutely love this one, and there's quite a bit on one sheet. So I thought $1.25, you couldn't beat that unless you found it at Dollar Tree or something, and I'm not about to look. So I got this for snacks and whatnots as well, because you know, you always try to make things fun and creative for the kiddos. So I got the stainless steel cookie cutters, and it's in 4 shapes. It's the little gingerbread man, the little poopy cloud thing, and then a star. And they are stainless steel, so that's awesome. I thought that was cute for $1.25. Just throw it into my little collection. Okay, moving on, I got some stuff for the kiddos. I can't turn down a cool pair of Ninja Turtle socks for my boys. I just can't. So I got this one. This is the Athletic Socks by Equalizer, and they are Ninja Turtles, guys. And these are for a size 4 to 9. They have arch support and cushioned sole. Let's see what they look like. So it comes with a pair of black socks, and these are super heavy duty. Not gonna lie, these black ones and the red ones are super heavy duty, and then there's another style pack as well. So I got this one, I got the red ones, like red Ninja Turtle camo, super cool. And then I got this one, and this one has 2 pairs. And they look like this. Really cute. Now they have all that like detailed stitching and support and stuff on here, so they look really well made. And this is the other pair. So this has like the whole little clan on the front of the sock there going up. So whenever you put it on and it opens it up, you can see that image a lot more clear. So I got those 2 packs for the bigger kids. Cute. And then I got 2 of the white and black one for Boogie. And I know he's gonna like them. He was already trying to take them. He's like, "Are these for me?" I said, "Yes, but you can't have them yet." So I got him 2 of those because he's so tiny and he gets to enjoy 2 pairs of them. This is the Sergeant's dog leash and it's 4 feet. It looks like super awesome quality. Okay, so with the contractors here, we have only 1 leash and then we have a few metal leashes that we use for keeping the dogs tied up for whenever we're doing stuff or when we need them to be out of the way or whatever. And this one is really nice. Look at this super heavy duty clamp. Like, this looks really nice. And the other ones that I have, this right here is kind of like cheap. So our dogs can get through some leashes pretty quickly. But this is a very nice quality leash. I picked up 2 because we have 1 super big one already that goes with Onyx's harness, and that seems to be the one that's lasted the longest. And then I picked up the other 2 for Diesel and Cody to make life easy, walk them all at the same time, because since we have the contractors here, I have to walk them whenever I get home. And what I do is I put one on the end of the leash and then the other one on the other end of the clamp part of the leash, and then I hold it from the middle and walk them both, because like it gets very frustrating and it gets exhausting trying to do one at a time. Like, it takes forever. So got 2 leashes, very nice quality stuff here. Sergeant's brand dog leashes, and they are nylon 1-inch wide. So there is that. And funny enough, Stephen asked me the other day if I still had the VR box little cardboard, like 3D headgear stuff that I had purchased a long time ago on like a clearance or something. And I actually didn't have them because they were cardboard. So of course they got damaged easily, and I paid like $1 and change for them. And I just kind of got them to let them play with them for a little bit. Anyway, King Dollar got these, but it is limit 1 per family. But oh my gosh, check that out. They're super awesome quality. You have the nice big cushions here. You have the things to fix the lenses on the inside, and then you put your phone in here, and it's supposed to be universal. I have the iPhone 7 Plus. That's a fairly large phone, and it fits in here just fine. So yeah, I was super excited about this. It's black and white, very clean line. These straps are adjustable. You can adjust them here on the top, and then the side band you can adjust here on the side, and it sits on your head like so. And you can easily go on YouTube, pull up some VR videos, and they have them on there, you know, ready to watch for free. You can download games. I'm sure there's free games, all that stuff. So we're gonna have a little fun with this. We already practiced a little bit with it. We were watching some shark videos and some Pennywise videos and, you know, whatever. But since it is Thursday, it's not game day. Kids are not allowed to play games during the week, so I did only let them watch a few videos. But this is really cool. For $1.25, they're gonna get plenty of entertainment out of it, playing around, bumping into each other or something. I thought this was adorable. So $1.25, you can't beat that. I'm pretty sure they sell on Amazon or something for like $9-10. Okay, so now we're gonna move into some personal care product. I got some of this mouthwash. This is the Aurora Blue Mint mouthwash, 50.7 ounces, guys. Yes, please. We have a stockpile of mouthwash. The last time I found a big bottle, I made sure to stock up. I picked up 6 of the, no, 6, 4, 6, I don't know, several of these for the stockpile for the kiddos. We all use mouthwash, so it goes very quick in this house. And when they get the big bottles like this, I make sure to stock up because I don't want to pay retail for mouthwash. No, I don't want to. And then I found this. I actually have used the Dermomed hand wash. Now, it was a hand wash, face wash, something. and it was really nice. I also found it at King Dollar. It's a really nice quality product. It smells so good. It's made in Italy, and it is not tested. It's not animal tested. This one is the talc and iris, and this one is bath and shower gel. So I thought that was pretty cool. It's a huge bottle, and it's paraben free, all that good stuff. And for $1.25, it smells so clean. I wanted to get more. They had a masculine scent, and then they had another one with pink florals and stuff. I'm not sure what that one was, but this one was my favorite one. This one smells so good. And it says value pack on it. It's got a ton of product. I was just super excited to get it because I know the hand face stuff was really nice. So I did pick up 2 of those. And then moving on, I found some awesome products for the kiddos. Finally, whenever they have nice kid-size stuff, I try to stock up, especially when it's with a pump, because these guys, for some reason, the shampoo bottle always winds up on the bottom of the bathtub, dripping out and draining and wasting product. Like, why? Like, why? Hashtag parent problems. Like, hashtag stop throwing money down the literal drain, okay? And so, yeah. I got this one. This one is the Lacura Body Care Kids 3-in-1 shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. This one is an Aldi product. I know that because the face stuff that I bought was also Lacura one time from there. So that's pretty awesome. First product on the list of ingredients is water. That's the best. So it is shampoo, conditioner, body wash, no tears, no parabens, no dyes, and a clean scent. 33.8 ounces. Yes, please, with a pump, and it smells so good. So I did pick up 12 of these for the stockpile. I will not have to be on the hunt for anything big and nice again. And stuff like this usually goes for about $3 and change. So to get one for $1.25, I thought it was a great purchase price, so I picked those up. And then I found this Zep Commercial Clean Stone Plus Cleaner and Degreaser, tough on grease, safe on stone, everyday use on countertops. This one is 32 ounces, and it says streak-free clean. We have we have slate countertops, and the best thing actually to use for slate is very hot water. So what I get them to do is spray down the countertops, clean all the crap and residue off, rinse off the towel, pop it in the microwave for a minute, sanitize it, get it out nice and humid, wipe the countertops down, and it keeps everything nice and clean and sanitized. But I thought this was a really great brand for $1.25, so I thought I'd give it a shot. I thought it looked really nice, and for the price, I mean, you can't beat it. So I was excited to try that, and I've had people tell me that Zep is a really good brand. It's a commercial brand, so that's pretty cool. Alrighty, so the last few things, I couldn't help myself, guys. I had to get them. This Christmas stuff. OMG. Okay, so check out these Christmas stems. Oh my goodness, are they not gorgeous? I'm so glad that I saw them because they were actually up, but there was like a few loose ones that someone left down below. And I saw them and I was like, oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. And then when you look up, they're like up there. But I went to Dollar Tree today and I was like, oh my gosh, they look so pitiful compared to the ones that I got. So King Dollar has these for $1.25. Check out the little red apples. And we actually have for Christmas the like nature theme where we have like a lot of twigs and red and black flannel and all that good stuff. So I love this. It's the green leaves with the little apples and the berries on there. So cute. And then you have this one with the pine cone combination, and they are very nice quality pine cones with a little white, very light white brushing on there of snow. And they're kind of bunched up, so it doesn't really look like much on one, but it's actually quite a bit. I don't want to unbunch them because I'm actually going to wrap them up and put them away with the Christmas stuff. And the little one, see, these are little styrofoam balls, and the ones that have a little damage on them, it doesn't even matter. You can just take red nail polish, call it a day, fix it. But look how beautiful these are. Oh my goodness. And they are so full. And look at the twig. You get a lot of length on there. and they have really good weight to them. So I did get 4 of each. You can kind of see how full they actually look. This one's kind of opened up a little bit more. And then another pine cone one. They're so beautiful. I couldn't help myself. So I did get 4 and 4, and I love them. So there is that. Next were these guys, and they're so cute. I couldn't leave them behind. Check them out. They're little green reindeer. Again, we're doing the whole nature theme. That's what we've had for, that's what we went into last year. And it's just so cute. I love this little guy. So of course, I had to get him and his brothers. There's 3 of them. So adorable. A great size, $1.25. The ones that I saw at Dollar Tree were the little tiny ones, and those are so cute too. But this guy is like a nice size. And he looks very nature-like. I love him. So cute. Look at him. So I did pick up those 3. Okay, so for the ladies that have some men in your life, the hubby loves this stuff. So this is the Harvest King or the Parts Master. And if I'm not mistaken, I think this is the one that they sell at like AutoZone and stuff like that. Yeah, I think this is the one. Anyway, you get them for a few bucks at your auto parts store. So for King Dollar to have them for $1.25, that's awesome, because the hubby actually goes through this when he's cleaning the inside the engine, and like it's supposed to be a brake and parts cleaner. Okay, so it's supposed to be able to clean your brakes and stuff, but it's a degreaser, and it gets everything nice and polished and super clean and nice and shiny and all that good stuff. So he likes for me to pick up several of these so that he can use them while he's detailing the cars and all that good stuff. So I picked him up 3 and 3 of each of them because he wanted to try them out, and I picked up another 2 for our friend because he was with them whenever I sent him the picture to let him know what they had. So that is pretty much it. You can find some really cool, like Goodwill brand, really nice Armor All brand stuff at King Dollar for vehicles. It's really cool to go in there and kind of stock up. I love doing like a Father's Day baskets with all of their man stuff, and the hubby really gets a kick out of them because, of course, you know, I just go in there and I just grab everything that's like name brand and cool and shove it all in a bucket, and he loves it. So that is pretty much it for my King Dollar haul this week, guys. I am super excited to be out in the world again. I really miss it. I have taken the entire week off from the gym because I went one day after I thought I was like, okay, I was like, oh, I got this. I went over there. No, I almost died. So yeah, I didn't go for the rest of the week, but I will be going back on Monday. So I have to make time to go out to King Dollar, especially because it's so far away. But I am so happy that I went this week, found some really awesome stuff. So if you did enjoy this haul, I do have a full King Dollar playlist. Everything is $1.25 at King Dollar. Unless marked otherwise, you can find some really awesome stuff there, from department store to your everyday typical dollar store product. They have a ton of party supplies, a ton of Halloween goodies out. In my previous haul, I got a legit Supergirl costume, a Green Lantern costume. You can find some really cool stuff there, as you can see from just this one haul. I've been going there for years, and we are officially sponsored by them now, and I think that's so neat that I can share that with you guys and we can see what they have week to week. If you enjoyed this haul, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. Let me know what your favorite find was, or what are you super excited about as far as Christmas is concerned. Do you do like okay, that's what you can tell us. Tell us your decorating style for Christmas. Do you do traditional? Do you do woodsy? Do you do plaid? Do you do neutrals? Let us know what you do for the Christmas holiday. You can follow me on Instagram and my Facebook group at Coupon to Provide. And don't forget, guys, keep couponing. Bye.